It's a 53 Mercury Monterey. You know, at first I had to look at the windshield. Gosh, it looks like a Ford, but it's kind of looks a little different. It's a Mercury, so that's what it is. And he's got a frame filter on it, one of the orange ones. People say, "Oh, you can't use one of those." Yeah, they're all right. They're not bad. The original Flathead, dual carburetors. Get the generator on the top. To tell you the truth, I think these cars are better than the ones in the 60s still. Yeah, if you had a car like this and it was missing a lot of the chrome or something, that can get you. That can get you if you're trying to restore it. And say, for instance, it wasn't, worth. Like this is a car that's restored, but say you had one of these things someplace, and what can get you is the chrome. There's a trim. It's trimming the bumpers and stuff. If you gotta find something else that just fill in the holes or something, and find different bumpers that fit. I gotta say, I've seen some other people out there do stuff like that. They're not. I mean, they're rolling down the road. They look good. You know. Because I'm a cheapie. That's what I would do. As long as it works. You know. So, I'm not a purist. I'm a rat rod guy. Yeah. I was telling that guy down there, the Mustang and the yellow dog, about the colostrum. I want him to live a million years. I've been still working out every day, man. Probably there tonight, so, and tomorrow, so. Monterey.